scholars and writers as enigmatic. At times, he is viewed as one who did not know his mind. The different options and anticipated consequences may come as related, may even more and vastly akin to some writers. To have a better understanding of results of the plot, it is difficult to analyze not immediately how the influences on the life of ideals and philosophy. These political concepts, ideals,
Interchangeably.
But Mike Hagopian underscores the distinctions between them, and our discussion on this concept may lead to a better understanding of the relationship dynamic evolution ideas involve evolution and ideas are diffuse and systematic but general, elastic, and are